today's video, finally I am modifying my bike. I have ordered the TST LED tail light and also the TST tail tidy. One thing which I want to tell you guys is now you do get TST tail tidy and LED light in India as well, but there is a huge price difference between US market and Indian market. Now even in India, with all my contacts, the best price I could get was something around 26,000 for both the products combined. Now even in this LED taillight there are two versions. There is the smoked version and the clear version. Okay, the smoked version has a slightly higher price. Now even when it comes to the tail tidy, there are two different variants. There is the fixed low and the fixed high. The fixed low is much more expensive than the fixed high. So what I did was I got my friend to hand carry it from USA. So the total price for me fell around 19,000 rupees. Okay, that's approximately 10,000 you're saving. So if you're not in a hurry and if you feel that you do have patience and if you can wait, by all means do get it from the US market because it is cheaper there. But if of course you are in a hurry, then you might as well go for India because of course, you know, for not everybody 9,000, 10,000 does matter. Now the disadvantage of you personally buying it from somewhere is of course the fitment. There are a lot of videos on TST official channel page in YouTube. You can follow it and do it yourself, but I did not have the patience and I do not have the technical expertise. So I'm going to a local garage over here in Kochi to get the product fitted. Yeah, Sanjay, hi. Yeah, I'm Preetham. I've reached the location, but I'm not able to find your place. Can you just help me? Yeah, I'm near this Miran's Curio red cap something. Yeah, I've come back right now. Can you just check? Acha, it's this house, is it? Yeah, got it. See, you find such kind of people also. I was going around searching everywhere for garages, but he's got such a big house. So he's apparently a passionate biker who does this. You know, he's a mechanic by himself. You know, these people who like to get down to the nitty-gritty details of each bike. So that is the kind of person he is. So guys, if you notice, this, you know, is the LED tail light and this is your tail tidy. However, if you notice in the bill, there is a third part which I've paid for. That is the relay flasher. Okay. Unfortunately over here, like you can see, there are only two parts. That is the tail light and the tail tidy. The relay flasher I have forgotten. I have left it at home. So right now, what I've done is I have booked it through Swiggy Genie. The person is picking it up and getting it all the way from home. So यार हमेशा every video कुछ ना कुछ होता ही रहता है. So just subscribe to the channel and I'll update you guys as the product arrives and the product gets fitted. Stay tuned. Finally the time is here. Time to say goodbye to that tail light and the tail tidy. So this bike has just completed its work. As you can see, it's a 675R. We have another Ninja 300 there and we have Zeus, of course. So it's time to say goodbye to the tail light and the tail tidy. As you guys can see, we have finally fitted it. Of course, not in the bracket, but this is outside. Now, even in the tail light, right? Now, these two are the indicators and this is, all three are for the brakes. Even in this, there are different display formats, right? So let's say that, you know, this is one. पीछे एक button है, as you guys can see, you double tap it and then that changes again. See? And then you double tap again and it changes again. Now coming to the indicators. See, this is one format and then you change it. This is your scrolling indicator similar to what Audi has. You know, of course, I was telling Sanjay also that I don't have Audi, so might as well keep this indicators. And of course, you have the normal indicators as well. So as of now, I am keeping the Audi wala, you know, the scrolling lights. and we'll fit it into this bracket and let's see how it goes. Now if you are fitting this for 10R, you need to remove this, okay? It clearly says remove for ZX 10R. The same taillight will also fit for ZX6R, and if you're fitting it for ZX6R, this part needs to be attached to the taillight. So keep that in mind. Of course, if you guys are doing it by yourself, this was not explained in the DIY videos which were there on TST official page. This is something that Sanjay has told me. Guys, mention in the comments below, okay? I'm thinking of buying stealth mirrors. Do you feel that these mirrors are better, or should I go for stealth mirrors? Of course, dekho, when I open it out, this is basically going to give you that wide look. But I'm not really a fan of this because it's too wide and I feel it takes away the sleekness of the bike. But what do you guys think? Should I go for stealth mirrors or are these mirrors good enough? Mention it in the comments below. So basically you walk inside the gate, this is his house, and this small garage over here is where he works on bikes. How passionate is he? इसका पूरा side profile ही change हो गया भाई. So if you guys remember in the starting I told you regarding that the relay flasher. Now the relay flasher gets fitted over here, okay? It is within this pouch. This is a relay flasher which we have fitted. Now because of that relay flasher, whatever indicators settings that are there na, including number of flashes per second, that can be set. But if not, this is the back view. Kitna sexy lag raha hai yaar. This is a dream come true for me, pata hai? Finally, as you guys can see, Zeus is all decked up. So I've changed the tail tidy, I've changed the tail light. It looks so damn good. So thank you for watching. Thank you for watching till the end. Please do hit the like button if you like this video. And if you guys have any queries regarding how to fit these parts, the TST tail tidy or the TST LED light, what settings, what are the flashes per second settings that you have to set, all of those questions, please mention it in the comments below. I will definitely ask Sanjay and get back to you. Please do check out F Motors here in Kochi. You know, Sanjay runs it. It's called F Motors. Like I've shown you, this is his entire setup. This is his garage. And a lot of superbikers and superbikes in Kochi do visit him because he's the professional. Well, that is it, guys. I hope you liked it. A lot more modifications coming. The main modification is still pending. It is the exhaust. So I'm still confused between Aero, Acra and also SE Project. Do mention in the comments which exhaust you think is the best suited for ZX10R. Well, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Ride safe, ride hard. Bye, guys.